Welcome to the Old Metri Railway Museum. Watch our county railway history unfold in front of your eyes. So, we are visiting to the Museum of Old Metri Railway Museum. So we got these trains since 2023. So, oh, this is 2 years old. Okay, Breton Station was a newly built station. So this is the map. And Rungmore to Wilton Fast for pendulum commuter. I got start here. Divider. A divider used to prevent trains from entering restricted areas, colliding with the railway personnel, etc. Speed limit, whistle board, rent of shot on board, and we got the traffic lights. We got the shunt signals and half barrier a gate. And we got another train is coming, crossing lights with the supplementary lights. And we got this full barrier crossing gate. So I got this stop car markers. Yeah. Wait, did that change? Oh yeah, there's an ad. So we got platform information system boards. Words we got here is the first class 398 to join the regional fleet. This is region link class 47 farewell, class 148 farewell, class 350 farewell. Wait, oh yeah. So I got the train displays. So I got oh, this is the train that is my favorite train in Project Transit. So this is the MK1 stock. So let's open the doors. We can't open the doors. So this is the train of Ritvi Rail car. This is only for Ritvi.